Okay, we now start with Ielts speaking part 2. The topic is describe a person you follow on social media. So, it's present tense and your answer should be in the present tense.
Well, there are so many personalities that I follow on social media, but today I would like to talk about Asad Yaqub. He is a YouTuber and he recently got a million of followers on a million of subscriber on his YouTube channel. I get to know about him when I get to know about him last year when I want to prepare for my English language. I watch his videos and I find them so interesting and informative. He not posts on YouTube, but also on the other social media apps like Facebook, Instagram. He posts about the tip and tricks to increase your vocabulary and minimize your grammatical range and minimize your grammatical errors. I follow him on social media because I find his work so interesting, and he do his work with true loyalty and with true patience. The reason I follow the only reason to follow him is is his work, and he is a great mentor to me. So all I can say is he is the best teacher on
All
internet.
right, thank you very much indeed for everything. Overall, it's fine. Accent and fluency, these are your plus points. The weak point is grammatical range and accuracy. You said, I get to know about him last year. What's the right one?
I
I got
got
to
to
know
know
about
about
him
him.
last year. Okay, and then you said he do his work. He does
His
his
work.
work. And then the word is mentor, not mentor, mentor.
Mentor.
Right? So these type of things, but apart from that, it's fine. Now we move on to speaking part 3. Uh, why do people follow politicians on social media?
Well, many people follow politicians on social media because they find them interesting, and they like to and they like to debate on the topics who which are happened recently. So to answer my question, to answer your question, I would say people follow politicians because they like the debates.
All right, this is good for part 3. Try to be with more ideas and variety of words. It'll be fine. Thank you. Grammar पे थोड़ा काम करें, right?